In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 0x80070194, cloud file provider exited unexpectedly. If you've been seeing that message when opening or syncing files from OneDrive, it usually means the part of Windows that connects your local files to the cloud hiccuped and shut down. The good news is this is often fixed quickly by running a simple command from the Run dialog. I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly what to expect. We'll start by opening the Run dialog, which is a small Windows tool that lets you launch commands directly. Hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and tap the R key. You should see a compact window appear near the bottom left or center of your screen with a single text box labeled Open. If it didn't appear, try tapping those keys again at the same time. When it's open, click into that box so it's ready to receive text. Next, paste the command that you see displayed on this video into the open field. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and with all characters matching. Commands are very precise, and even a single missing dash or letter can prevent it from running. If you prefer to type it manually, take your time and double-check each part before proceeding. With the command in place, press Enter on your keyboard. The Run window will close, and the command will execute. You may notice OneDrive briefly exit and then relaunch, the cloud icon in your system tray disappear and reappear, or a quick system prompt flash by. That's normal. Give your computer a moment to complete the refresh. In many cases, OneDrive will quietly re-register its cloud file components in the background and then resume syncing. After a short pause, try accessing your OneDrive files again in File Explorer. If the error was caused by a temporary glitch in the cloud file provider, it should now be resolved. You might see OneDrive reindex or resync a few items. That's expected and helps ensure everything is up to date. This process doesn't delete your files or remove your account. It simply refreshes the connection that lets Windows manage your cloud-backed files on demand. If the issue persists, replay the section with the on-screen command and confirm it was entered exactly. Small typos can make a big difference. Otherwise, you can check official OneDrive support for more guidance specific to your setup. And that's it. Quick and clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get OneDrive back on track.